Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this hotel, one type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than 100 of reviews of this hotel, you can go to agoda.com. Check-in time in this hotel is 2 p.m. and check-out time of this hotel is 12 p.m. If you have stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. For booking or get more details about this hotel, please go to link in description. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then must subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new hotel.